Hey everybody, how are you all? And just look at this. This is just 3 months of rain in our absence, and this is what has happened to the front of the house. So basically, what we're going to do is we've cleared out this patch. Actually, when we came yesterday, this whole area was basically like this, and like this. So we literally had to go through tall straws to come up. But a neighbor sort of helped by cutting down this path to clear it a bit so that one can walk through. So this part we're going to completely clear, at least that's the plan. It's a bit slow, as you know, it takes time to do these things, especially when you don't live here permanently and you have to come every now and then. So we see this is all the debris of the straws that were cleared. So this part here, we have to completely clean it up, and then we have to put the flagstones, the path, lay down the path all the way to our front entrance here, the stairs. And then this whole part we have to completely remove, and then we will plant, you know, we'll create a sort of a terrace garden or something. And but the other job that did get done was this. As you see, this is how it is. We haven't yet cleared this path. So here you have an idea of how it has become. But it is now easy to go through here because they've made the path more level. Over here also they're going to be putting stones, flagstones to pave the way. And this is the tree, the old tree. Today the masons are supposed to come and finish this. This is the parking space that we made. And so this is the back of the house basically. As you see, this is all the mason's stuff. So this is the bedroom window at the back. This over here, this that you see here, is the old wall which we made right at the beginning that collapsed because of landsliding. So we couldn't do much because it kept collapsing. And this part, this patch, we have to sort of clear this whole area all the way to that boundary wall that you see. This is all the land, and it goes all the way there, all the way there. So if I enlarge it, you'll see, you see this boundary wall that goes all the way to the end, this is all ours. And we're sort of creating a proper wall, making it higher. So all these trees are ours. That is the, this is the apple tree, and this tall fellow here, this is the walnut tree. They're side by side. And voila. So this is the wide slope that we created so that we could park our car. And this road that you see going all the way, this is basically the highway. So this is the highway that goes all the way straight to Kashmir. And because we're at the higher level. These trees that you see here, these are on the other side of the road at the lower mountain, the lower level of the mountain. And this is the tanky that we've got that collects rainwater. Basically, we have a system where we collect the rainwater and we put it in one. And we have at least two tankies. One is here, which collects all the rainwater that comes down, and one tanky is upstairs, which collects our own water. Plus, I think there's another one that collects rainwater. So now, this all has to be cleared. It will all be cleared once the job is 100% complete. Because, as I said, the job is ongoing. This job would have been completed, but my father had to return. So, this whole area, this would be the sidewalk. So, when you park the car, we can come from here. Okay, I've seen this in most of these plants that are wildly growing due to the rain. You see this? Yeah. For a wild moment, it felt as if, is this how silkworms produce? But this is all foam. It looks like foam, but I'm sure it's not foam. I'm sure it's something else by the way it clings to the plants. So I try not to disturb it. Because I have actually seen more of it here. See? And these are, I think, those wild daisies that are growing. Yep. See? See that? It's here too. So I think these foamy type things that cling, if anybody has any idea what these foamy type things are, do tell. See here? Yeah, the clouds have suddenly come. It was sunny just now, and now the clouds have come, and these are more wild daisies. I've noticed here the daisies are very small. They're not those large daisies, they're these really small, baby's breath size daisies. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, here's a baby ladybug. There are two, I think. No. That thing moving, I think, yeah, that's another ladybug. And it's going to be real hard work clearing all this mess. Well, this is me, right, ready to sign out. You have that mountain top there that's higher than ours. It's the backside. And I will be going up the roof soon, so I will show you that too. Okay, bye bye.